What is up, you guys? Today I will be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Me and my wife went to go pick this up at the Best Buy today, and I'm super excited. I'm super amped because we've been looking for a product like this to use. I have my Sony a66,000, but it's just too chunky, especially to be filming in public and stuff. Maybe eventually I'll get more, the courage to, I guess, shoot in public, but this is gonna help me out and my wife out a lot. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Ricky Estrada 45. You're gonna find shorts, you're gonna find a lot, but today we will be unboxing this bad boy. So yes, let's do this. It comes with one microphone, a kickstand or a tripod, and if you guys want to take a pause of that, take a look at all the amenities it comes with. It comes with an app. So yeah, so definitely go get yourself one of these. Yeah, DJI. Very nice. Okay, here we go. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 unboxing tutorial. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, this is how we do it. Alright, so here we go. Okay, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's unbox this. Okay, yes. This is where the magic is gonna happen. Alright. Here we go, here we go. It's gonna come with your silica gel. Make sure you do not eat this. Do not touch that. It's gonna come out with, oh my gosh. This is the bad boy himself, or herself. I don't really gentrify things, but yes. Oh my gosh, wow. You guys, the Osmo Pocket 3. It comes in a very sleek box. It looks so beautiful already. I'm gonna unzip this. Here's some ASMR for you. Oh my gosh, you guys. The Osmo Pocket 3. So I don't really know how to turn this thing on. Let me see. Rotate screen, power on and off. Okay. What the Yo! Oh my gosh. I got it. Oh, what? Okay, so I have to activate this camera before I use it. So...
rotate the screen by hand.
I already... Look.
Not that screen.
It automatically does it. But look, it wants me to,
That touch screen they're talking about. You can rotate it horizontally. No, with your hands.
Wait, what?
It's me.
Oh, that screen.
I think you...
Oh, what? Wow. The DJ...
Wait, it has stabilization?
Yeah, so...
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, that's sick. Wow. The DJI Osmo 3. This is such a nice product. Wow. So I have to get this started and activated and all that stuff. I'm going to put it away for now. And I'm just going to show you the rest of the unboxing. But, well, no. Actually, I don't want to show that because then they can activate it too. I'm going to just show you. So yeah, so this thing is crazy. Wow. This thing is going to be so amazing to shoot with. I'm very excited. Let me show you the other products that are inside the box. I'm going to give this to my wife now. Wow, so it also comes with this microphone, or this is a spare battery. Wow, this is really convenient. This is a dummy battery. I'm going to take this out. Or is this the tripod? Okay, so this looks to be when mounting. I'm pretty sure that this is the dummy battery, from what I would assume, unless... Oh, you know what? No, I'm totally wrong. This right here is money. This right here is some money, yeah. Alright, this is the tripod. This is the gimbal for it, so just gonna screw that on nice and tight. And let's see. Money. Yes. Tripod. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the DJI tripod. Now this is, I believe, the microphone. Or when mounting, insert handle. Yeah, I really don't know what this is. If anybody can comment what this is, please let me know. I mean, I could read it in the instructions, but yeah, if you guys want to help me out with that. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is the DJI mic that it comes stock. Let's see. All right, and so you just put this on. We can put this on real quick. So it's just a microphone. Real nice product. Definitely take a look at that. But yeah, so shout out to DJI. I can't wait to use their product, and I'm very excited to see what else is in this box. Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this? This is my wife's dream. She always wanted this camera, so I'm very excited that we got it. We're gonna be filming a lot more. I know I am. Let's see. This is a case. Wow. So it comes with the case as well. So you can just slip it on, plop it on, and if it falls, you pray to God that it don't. But you got the reinsurance, the recovery, and let's see. Yeah, and that's it in the box. And yeah, I mean, you got your DJI sticker. It says bring the memory card and stuff. Pretty cool. But yeah, I really do enjoy this product. Well, yeah, I have to see what it's all about. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is gonna be the end of the video. I just want to do a quick little unboxing. And stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more content coming. I'm going to try to pump out more content. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next vlog. And